Welcome back to my channel. Today we have this very question for us to solve. So determine the equation of the line that passes through this given point a of 2 comma minus 3 and parallel to the line that passes through this point b of 4 comma 1 and c of minus 2 comma 2. Solution without wasting time. Solution. Our solution to that very question. Solution we are going to have here. We are going to first of all deal with this line BC. First of all, to estimate the slope of this particular line. So I'm going to have from the slope MBC, which is going to be change in y to that of change in x. That is the formula for slope. And the increment in y means y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Now here, we're going to take b to be the initial, yc is the final. So our slope of this line now, MBC, is going to be, of course, changing y, that is 2 minus 1 all over minus 2 minus 4. At the end, you have minus 1 over 6 as our slope of this line. Then you understand, you need to understand that there's a condition of parallel line. Since the line that we're looking for, the equation of it, the equation of the line we're looking for is parallel to this given point, this line that passes through this point B and point C. So with that condition of parallel line said that for two lines to be parallel, their slope must be equal. Therefore, we're going to make use of this particular slope in the equation of the line that we're looking for. So I can call this just like saying our M1, MBC is our M1. Therefore, M1 equal to M2, which is minus 1 over 6. Reason, parallel lines. Parallel lines. Parallel lines. That is the reason for that. You then use the equation of point slope from point slope. From point slope. From point slope. What did the equation of point slope say? Equation of point slope said that y minus y1 is equal to m, let's call it m2, into x minus x2. Of course, you are going to use these coordinate points. We're going to use these coordinate points from the equation as our x1 and the y1. Therefore, the equation will be y minus into minus 3 equal to minus 1 over 6 into x minus 2. So everything will be y plus 3 equal to minus into x minus 2 all over 6 over 1 cross multiply. You have 6 into y plus 3 equal to minus x plus 2. So when you do this you expand this equation, you are going to have 6y plus plus 18. When x cross become plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Final answer automatically becomes, our final answer will be 6y plus x, 18 minus this, then plus 16 equal to 0. So that is how it's going to be. The answer here will be our option B. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to drop your question, if any. Bye.